Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got the Sony here on two mini wireless headphones. This is one of Sony's high-res audio headphones. This one goes for £140 on Amazon, guys. I'm going to leave it in the description. It comes in three different colors. So you've got this black, you got turquoise, gold, coral. So that's very nice. You got loads of different color options. So let's have a look at the box at the back. So this should work with iOS and Android, which is always great. You've got HD voice, so if you're using this for talk time and stuff like that, you're going to be getting very good sound. So it's got quick charging, so for 10 minutes of charge you get up to 90 minutes of playback. That's really great. And you've got a 24-hour battery, so it's going to be lasting you for 24 hours, so that's very great. It's an on-ear style. You've got voice assistant, so it will work with your Google, so that's very great. You do get included cables and carrying pouch and your micro USB. So that's great. So let's open this up. So see, I've already ripped it up, but yeah. Take it out. Let's go. So this is the box itself, so let's open it up. And we've got the carrying pouch here, which is decent one. So you got some protection. You've got the Sony name here, and inside you got some soft to protect your headphones, which is really great. It's a little nice decent one. So let's put that to the side. We've got the headphones themselves, very nice and very tiny, I have to say that. Let's put that to the side for a second. Let's see what else we got included. You've got your micro USB for charging. So inside you've got micro USB for charging, no USB-C, but yeah, that's what you get. And that's you've got a aux to aux cable from Sony as well, no inline microphone, but yeah, you can always use this using the aux cable if you don't want to go wireless. And then inside you've got a little booklet showing you what each button does and what the indicating lights means, I think. So that's very nice. So let's put that to the side. You've got some other manuals, user guide stuff, loads of stuff about the headphones, which we are not going to look at. So let's put that to the side. And let's take a look at the headphones themselves. So these are the mini, so they are like the smaller version of the H800 2. So I've got this matte grey black version. I'm not going to show what it's called, but it's called black, but I've got more like a gunmetal finish. So let's look at the padding on the ear cups, which are really nice. So these are on-ear style, guys, so they're not over the ear, they will go on top of your ears. On the top you've got a small padding, which is very unusual from Sony, and there's some metal bill as well, so you've got your metal inlays inside. You've got the Sony name on this side, which is really nice. You've got your left and right. So let's look at the ear cups themselves. So they do not twist, they can only fold inwards. So you can't lay them flat, so they lay like that, which is okay. But for £140 I do wanted to see them to fold sideways as well, but much easier for carrying. But the only way you can carry them is like probably like this, I think. Just decent, I'm not gonna complain, but yeah, would have been nicer to have that. So on one side you've got your NFC for quick pairing using your Android phone and stuff like that. You've got your microphone, your aux input, your micro USB for charging, your power button. On the other side you've got your answer, pause and stuff button. So on this side, as you can see, guys, you've got your volume rockers, and on the plus sound you've got a little dot, so you know this is the plus. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to power this on, connect it to my phone, listen to some music, watch some videos, play some games, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So yeah, guys, I've been spending a few hours with the headphones, listening to music, playing some games, watching some YouTube, movies, and first of all I have to say they sound just amazing. Okay, they're Sony headphones and they sound just amazing, and if you've got high-res audio files, you're just gonna enjoy that crisp sound. Just the vocals, the mids, the highs, everything sounds just so really great. And yes, I'm not a big fan of on-ear headphones, but these ones are nice and comfortable. But I would have preferred the over-the-ear style version, but Sony does make one, which is a bit more expensive. But if you are on a budget, you can check these out as well. They do sound great. There's no complaining the sound quality. It's just the comfort and the feel of it. I just wish they do twist flat as well, but they don't. But the sound quality, as I said guys, is really great. You're not going to get a lot of isolating sound on these ear cups because they're just on ears compared to over ears. They're just going to isolate more sound out. But the comfort is really great. I can't go wrong with that. And the sound quality is really great. So for movies, games, it sounds really great. The mids, the highs, the vocals are really great. Bass is really nice and deep as well. But then I like some banging bass headphones. Sony just makes some of those, so if you want to check them out you can do that. But these, if you want to just listen to nice music, you've got the high res audio, and if you got low res audio files as well, these will improve the sound as well using the phone app. Using the app you can download that and it's really nice as well. But if you just want some decent headphones just for your day-to-day use, listen to great music and stuff like that, it works really fine. The Google Home Assistant works very great. Using just long pressing the button will activate that on your Android device. On iPhone I was not able to get that to work for some reason. On iOS it is use Siri, so that didn't work. But if you're using Android phone, it should work very fine. It's gonna bring up your Google Assistant, which is really great. You can ask stuff and it works very fine. You can ask for questions, it will just answer you back in the headphones, and it sounds really great. Overall, for the price, they're very nice. The sound quality is really great, probably amazing, I have to say that. The build quality, I'm not big a fan of it. I would have liked to twist and more stuff, and I would like more padding at the top. It's very thin compared to the ear cup. As you can see, they are nice and proper big, but the top padding is really thin. But overall, so if you're going to be wearing this for a long time, you won't feel it because they're small and they're lightweight compared to other big headphones like the Studios or the bigger version of this, which are pretty heavier, which you will feel. But this one, for an hour I've used it, I had no problems. I couldn't even feel I was wearing headphones. But yeah, very nice, great headphones for the price. Do check it out, guys. It comes in 3 different colors. So if this is black is not your taste, you do have your coral, your turquoise, which is really great, and comes in a nice gold color as well. But yeah, guys, just my quick review of these headphones, the Sony H800 Mini 2. But yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one guys. Take care.